My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2019 Mercedes-Benz Vito. This is a long wheelbase L2 vehicle. It has done just over 21,000 miles with a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can see that we have 8 seats in total. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, using our buttons on the left, we can get quick access to our main features: radio, media, navigation and Bluetooth. Just below the screen we have our AC. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.